So this was the card we did yesterday. It's a simple waterfall card, except that we used this wonderful die from Waffle Flower. I actually inked 4 of them, so I have 2 left. And waterfall cards are easily found everywhere, including on YouTube. But I prefer to use Burniston's 1161 Waterfall because it has all the dies that makes it easy for me. So first of all, you're going to die cut the it has a tail piece, a long piece with a smiley face. This one has a smiley face too. And then the big piece. It's the same size. We're basically coming with a piece that is 5.5 and 4 3/4. And here I've die cut 1 piece out already, which gives us this little scoop, which is where you'll see a little scoop here. It's easier for you to fold the tab. So that's cut out already. And then for this, you just crease. It has 4 folds. Crease it both ways. Better if you have a bone folder. With this one, this part with the 2 is the pull tab. And this part holds over. You're going to have a smiley face and a smiley face and a notch. And those 2 go together. Over here, you're going to just glue this. And because this is going to be pulled this way basically, this part actually has a piece, a long piece that fits in there as well. So we're going to glue that in there. So it's this piece. Once this is glued down, you look at the card and you put this on top. And each fold is going to be 1 piece. So each fold is 1 piece of the flower. So basically you just want to position this in the middle of that. And the easiest way is to take a stapler, open the card up, and just staple. the two corners. Because what you'll have is this piece that will go above this part, but you need the backing piece in here. So that is basically your first level. In here, there are two different pulls. One is to pull down and one is to pull to the right. So this one, I'm going to glue that on too. So right now, if you pull, you can see that it folds one by one. So looking at this, what I did was, you can go outside of the sides, but do not go past the folds. You can't go past the folds, but go ahead and go past the sides, because it makes sense to go left and right. And I only use two, so I would die cut one out of my stock as a backing to make it harder to stabilize it. Just stabilize, and then you could just choose, like here, at the bottom. So you glue that together, and then probably so let's say if you want this to be the bottom, then you would trim the top off and make that the bottom. Then the second piece would go to the second fold. The second piece is literally just this part. This part up here. And then over here, it is this part. Oh, this part again. So that's basically it. Really simple fold. And I highly recommend using Burniston.